Hi everyone, welcome to Module 6. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Module 6's activities and assignments. So first you'll see our overview and our agenda. In the module this week, we'll be addressing Learning Objective 6 from the syllabus. In particular, we'll be focusing on psychological disorders and how they're treated. So you'll see in the agenda the list of assignments and tasks that you're required to do this week. And I will say that this is a pretty popular topic within the introductory psychology course. Students usually enjoy learning about them, and often when they begin the course, they think that this is all psychology is learning about psychological disorders. So you know by now that there's been 5 weeks worth of stuff that wasn't necessarily focused on psychological disorders, and there's only 1 week focused on psychological disorders in this whole course, and this is it. But students often like this week, so I hope you like it as well. Let's head over to the lectures and readings. You can see that the reading assignment is chapters 15 and 16 in the textbook. And you'll also see that we have a video this week. It's a video on mental illness by Ellen Sachs. Ellen is an accomplished law professor who also has schizophrenia. And in the video, Ellen describes her experiences with schizophrenia and what it's like to live with the illness. And I personally think it's my favorite video in the course, just hearing her personal experiences and what it's like to live with schizophrenia. I feel like we don't always hear the stories directly from the people affected by mental health. So I think it's a nice video. I hope you like it as well. So let's head over to the assignments folder. You'll first see a note about the paper assignment here. You're not actually required to submit anything this week in regard to the paper assignment. This is just a reminder that the paper assignment is due in a few weeks on Tuesday, December 11th. Gives you some information, refers you back to the supplemental materials on the course homepage. If you missed last week's optional topic approval assignment, you are welcome to contact me at any time via email or submitting in that Module 5 topic approval assignment, letting me know what your disaster situation is and what 3 psychological concepts you'll be writing about. So if you didn't do that last week, go ahead and do it this week. Contact me, get some feedback on what your plans are. You'll also see our Module 6 quiz, which covers chapters 15 and 16 in your textbook. Like always, it consists of 10 multiple choice questions, and you'll have 30 minutes to complete all 10 questions. And last but not least, you'll have our Module 6 discussion board. And as usual, you'll have 2 prompts to respond to. For one prompt, you'll be asked to share your thoughts on the treatment of mental illness after watching the video I described earlier. And the second prompt asks you to do a mini case study of sorts by selecting a mental illness from the textbook that you'd like to learn more about. Then you'll find a well-known person that you believe might have the illness that you wanted to learn more about. And specifically, you'll describe at least 2 symptoms of the illness that this person has displayed. And I'd like to make a pretty strong note here that just because you find information on a celebrity or famous person that they have had some symptoms of a mental illness doesn't necessarily mean that they have that mental illness or psychological disorder. Only a licensed psychiatrist, psychologist, or doctor can diagnose these conditions. So just keep that in mind, that it's actually a very complex, complicated task to diagnose someone with a mental health issue. And just because we can see that they're displaying some of the symptoms doesn't necessarily mean that they have that disorder. Okay. Only a psychiatrist, psychologist can actually diagnose that. And all the Module 6 activities and assignments are due on Sunday, December 2nd. And if you have any questions, like always, just let me know. Great, thanks.